Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, but with a twist. We are adding a package of vanilla pudding mix. And why, you ask? Because Samuel saw an Instagram video where somebody said these make the best cookies when you add vanilla pudding mix. So we're testing it out today to see if it really works. Let's get started. First, I have 2 sticks of salted butter, softened to room temperature. Then I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And I'm gonna mix that on medium speed until it's all creamed together. Okay, then we are going to add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the secret ingredient, 1 3.4 ounce package of vanilla pudding mix. Now we mix. I'm gonna beat all this in. Hopefully this doesn't fly everywhere. This is interesting. It's looking very yellowy. Alright, so now over here I have 2 1/4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just going to very quickly mix those 2 together. And then you're going to slowly add your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Okay, so right now I am scraping down my bowl to make sure it's all fully mixed in. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Yum! And fold those in. Oops. This looks so good. I mean, it's cookie dough, why would it not look good? Okay, and then you can bake these right away, but just because I have to go do something right now, I'm gonna stick them in the fridge to chill. And chilling your dough is usually just gonna make it better, so whatever you have time for, that's fine. See you later. You can also add some chopped nuts if you want, but totally optional. Okay, my cookies are all done baking. It's very late. I'm kind of tired, but I'm still gonna try one. The cookies came out very soft because of the pudding mix. Almost kind of makes them like more cakey. These have such a good flavor. I don't think I've ever had cookies that taste like this because they have a pudding mix in them. Also, they're still really soft. They didn't get overbaked, so that's good. Thanks so much for baking with me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you know every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!